Many brands struggle to scale their creatives across markets, not because of a lack of ideas, but because localization takes too much time, effort, and resources. Doing it manually is a nightmare. Copy and paste, retype, rebuild layouts, search for fonts that support each language, and pray the text won't overwhelm the design. You end up redesigning the same campaign over and over again for every single language. Today, I'll show you how to turn one master creative into multiple localized versions instantly. And of course, using Picsart Flow. This will help you keep your design consistent while adapting perfectly to each market. I'm Haik, and let's get started. Picsart Flow is an AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. It's a node workflow builder for solo creators or teams, making creative workflow automation simple and powerful. From the Picsart homepage, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Flow. This will open a new window where we can create a new workflow. Let's start creating. In this example, we want to localize this creative into 3 languages for 3 different markets: French, German, and Spanish. We will create a new node next to the creative by right-clicking and selecting text, or by using the keyboard shortcut T. This will open a new text-based node. In the text box below, type the action you want to take with the creative. On the lower left side, you will see different AI reasoning models, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Nano Banana. In this case, we will use ChatGPT. Let's write something like this. Using the campaign image, translate the copy in the image into 3 languages: French, German, and Spanish. Make sure the translations sound natural for the local audience. For the text node to handle the translation, it needs to know what to translate. So let's connect the image node to the text node. Once you select the text node again, you can click Generate. In a few seconds, the text node will output the localized copy. Now, let's use those outputs to create new localized versions. We will create 3 new image nodes and label each one separately. Let's start with French. Connect the original creative image node and the text node to the French node. This time we will use Nano Banana Pro. In the input box, write instructions to localize the copy while preserving the font style and imagery. For example, using the image reference and prompt, translate the copy in the image into French. Preserve the font style, text placement, and colors. You can adjust the aspect ratio and output quality of the image. When you are ready, click Generate. Looks pretty good to me. Let's do the same for German and Spanish. Now we have 3 localized creatives and I'm pretty happy with the results. But let me show you something else. You might want to change the model's outfit to better match local styles. No worries, with Picsart Flow you don't need to spend time and energy setting up an entirely new photo shoot. Instead, you can upload existing product imagery like this leather jacket, black dress, and black leather handbag. Create a new image node. Connect the new clothing images and the German photo to the new image node. In the text box, write something like this. Replace the model's outfit with a new dress, boots, jacket, and handbag from the reference images. Preserve the copy. The result is pretty amazing with a completely new wardrobe. Now that I'm happy with this localized version, I want to resize it for social media, including Instagram posts, stories, and TikTok. You can drag from the creative into a blank space to create a new image node. Then simply type Resize. For this example, I'll choose a 9:16 aspect ratio for Instagram stories. For the second version, let's do a square 1:1 format. And for the third, 3:4 format. As you can see, Picsart Flow quickly resizes creative assets without compromising image quality. We can now export these images by hovering over any image node and simply clicking Download. And that's it! Your localized assets are ready to post across your social channels. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I'm Hike and I'll catch you next time.